Yeah, welcome to Mora FC. Drip, you're welcome. Just look at this beautiful turban, just amazing. I'm gonna teach you how to do this simple and the simplest way to do it, very fast way. So let's get started. I measured 9 inch. I folded 5 into I measured 9 inch, and this is the circumference of that person's head. Yeah, that's my younger sister. I made it for, so that's the circumference of her head. Then I cut it out. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to like, share, click on notification bell and comment. So we just have to cut it out. I folded the fabric into 2, but I'll cut it open, yeah, like this. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That's the wrong side of the fabric, so we gotta go to the machine, do a little bit of sewing. Yeah, the wrong side is here, so you fold it like that, then you sew in 1/2 inch. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend to tell a friend, 10. That is what I FC, you know what it is, man. So we do the same thing to the other one. I gotta jump from here. You gotta do it. So after that, just flip everything out. You can see I'm just flipping it out. But hey, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. So after here, we just have to go and give it a beautiful press. We iron it so beautifully. We make sure the place that we sew have to come in the middle. You can see the line there. Yeah, you make sure it comes in the middle, and that part to become the wrong side. I folded into 2 to get the middle of it. Yep, so that's my middle. You can see I got my middle. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Do you understand? Yep. It's all about more IFC. Tell a friend, tell a friend. So I'm just folding the middle. Yeah, just a little bit of folding. Nothing much. So you make it like this, like a cross, like a plus, like a time. Then you just have to fold it like that. That's the wrong side. That place become the wrong side. Then you fold it like that. This is how it's gonna be. So we're gonna pin that place, and we add it like this. Then we sew. You pin the 2 together. Then you add the 2 together. Then we sew the place that we pin, all of it. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. So let's talk about this beautiful book written by my beautiful wife. She's the author of this book. She wrote this amazing story book, a true life story that, hey guys, you gotta check out this book. I'm gonna leave my wife details in the description below, her email, contact my wife and order your book. A lot of people have been ordered this. More than almost 15,000 people have ordered this book. Contact my wife for this book, Amazing Restoration Revolving Doors. So thank you so much. So let's get started. Let's go back to our tutorial. So I measure 5 inch from that part. Then I mark it. I'm gonna draw a curve. So you drew a curve to the second line, not the first line that they said, to the second line. That's where you're gonna end. So I made my curve. If you have a curve rule, that become easy for you. But if you don't have a curve rule, you don't have no option than to use your hand to sketch. You know, hey, you gotta learn how to use your hand, your free hand, to do something. It's not always that you're gonna have to depend on the big man before you can do something. That's what I do. You know, it's all about Mora FC. So you can see I measured 3 inch, so I cut it out into 2. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to remember to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up, click on notification bell. So we're gonna fix the thread inside one of the inside. So you measure the thread, the length of the thread, the size of it. Yeah, I measure 4 inch, like that. Yeah, 4.5 inch over there. I measure 4.5 inch. Then I trace it out. Then I insert the elastic in. Remember, the elastic supposed to be longer. Sorry, the elastic supposed to be short. Not the same, so you just have to put the elastic in like that. Then you're gonna pull it out like this. You gotta hold it firm, you know. Again, don't let it fall so straight. You know, let the elastic go inside a little bit. Like the elastic is 3 inch, pull it inside like 5 inch inside, so that you pull it out. If not, if you pull it the same way, it's not going to be stretched, because the fabric is not a stretched fabric. I guess you understand what I mean. Okay. So we just have to sew that part and cut everything now. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. So here we have already fixed the elastic in. Do you understand? So we sew straight across it. So we are almost done. We not say that we are done. You know, we are done. Just cut this one. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. This Mora FC. Yeah, the turban hand is done. That's it. Enjoy. Try your hands on it. If you can't get it, you can ask a question. Come watch it again. Try your hands on it. You know, as many as you can.